Itema Group is a leading manufacturer of weaving machines based in Italy, but with production site also in China and in Switzerland, and commercial branch in many places in the world. We are the only company in the textile machinery sector to provide weavers with top 3 weft insertion technologies, which are Rapier, Airjet, and Projectile. We also offer a series of integrated service and, of course, OEM spare parts for Itema weaving machines and previous brands, Sulzer, Somet, and Vamatex. In fact, Itema is born in 1967, and over the years, it went through a series of acquisitions, particularly the acquisition of Sulzer, Somet, and Vamatex, that make up today Itema. We are going through a crucial moment for the textile industry. In fact, we see that many countries in the world, for example, also the European Union, putting some stringent parameters, for example, on green and ecological production. So, as Itema, we are going through this and we are trying to support our customers, so weavers, with a solution that can help them to have more sustainable products. As Itema, we are focused to support our customers, worldwide weavers, with solutions capable to add value to their business. We know very well that one of the challenges that the textile industry is going through is the need of sustainable production. We are trying to support our customers by providing them with tangible solutions that can help them in meeting countries, governments, regulations, and also brands' requests. For example, we introduced in 2018 iSaver, which is a mechatronic device, an innovation developed by Itema, that equipped on our Rapier machines allows to save the waste salvage on a side of the machine. And this allows to get an economical benefit, so you can save money, but you can also save the planet. Here in Itema, for example, in Istanbul, we are showing this device that has been launched first up to 4 colors, and especially for denim segment, we are launching it up to 6 colors. Actually, the launch has been done in Itema Milan in June 2023, but we are bringing this device on our machine for the first time in Turkey. The device that we are introducing, it's a unique innovation. In fact, we are the only company in the industry to have this iSaver up to 6 colors. Our Rapier weaving machine, which is based on the platform of the R9500, is the most successful Rapier machine in recent history. These machines has been appreciated all over the world, mainly due to its lean platform, to its reliability, and to the possibility to reach outstanding levels of textile mastery. This machine has also a low consumption of spare parts, and it's really something that can add value to mills in the world. We have installations in Bangladesh. Bangladesh is an important market for the weaving industry. We know that it's a key production country for fabric, and that's why we are providing our technology to Bangladeshi weavers, and we believe that they could benefit from the choice of Itema as a partner. The last 1 year and a half has been very tough for the textile industry in general, particularly due to the geopolitical situation that reflects on high energy cost, high raw material cost, high logistics cost. Another important topic when it comes to weaving machines, of course, is the after-sales service. We know it very well, and Itema, as an European-based company, believes and works to have skilled technicians all over the world that can provide to our customers timely and accurate service.